Did your WordPress site crash after hours of work? Before you start throwing things on the ground, I got 7 simple steps on how you can fix your crash. So let me show you how. Hi, I'm Thulisa from WPHub and I'm a content creator and I've built different WordPress sites in the past. And there's nothing more painful when your WordPress site crashes after all of your hard work. So in this video, I'll cover 7 tips where you can fix and recover your WordPress crash as a beginner. Before we move on, make sure you check out our full blog post in the description below. Your website may be down in a different location, which means you aren't able to open it, but others aren't facing the same problem. Therefore, you need to check if the site is actually down. The down for everyone or just me website checks if the website is down for everyone or just you. All you do is you enter the URL and then you click on just me, and then it will let you know if it's down just for you or other people are experiencing the same problem. If you are facing downtime, then you should use What's My DNS. If it shows errors like site not found, then it means that your DNS isn't updated. Does your screen look like this? The most common error messages when your WordPress does not load are 404 and 503 error messages. If you are getting 503 error messages, we recommend that you contact your web host to help resolve your issues. If you are thinking of a good hosting platform, we recommend WXP Hosting because they have the best WordPress support and chat usually answers less than 5 seconds. This is how the WPX website looks like. It has all the information that you need. One of the things that you can be for WPX is an affiliate marketer. The pricing plans are here for WordPress hosting or general domains. So here's the pricing for the WordPress hosting for the yearly payments, and if you want to know the monthly payments, here's the monthly payments. All domains come with an expiry date. If you miss the subscription renewal date, your site will go down after an extended time offered by the registrar. Avoid missing your subscription renewal date if you don't want your site to go down. There are cases where your site isn't actually down but aren't able to access it. This happens during a WordPress update. If you set your site on auto updates, there may be a chance that it hasn't updated correctly. We advise that you go for a manual update for such situations. Back up all your data before the WordPress update to avoid loss of data and the risk of downtime. Most hosting service providers will suspend your account if you haven't paid in a while. Usually you'll get an email in advance from your hosting provider informing you about the due dates of your payment. Make sure you don't miss such emails and make sure you keep track of such dates to avoid getting your account suspended. Some themes or plugins that don't work well together may also cause your website to face some downtime. This is why you should purchase WordPress themes on a safe marketplace and use high quality themes. If you're looking for a website for a WordPress theme, Astra is one of them. So if you look at starter templates, you will see that Astra has many different templates you can choose from when it comes to your WordPress themes. All you need to do is just edit and customize it a bit and it can be your own. So you don't need to start your website from scratch. Astra can help do that for you. Another website that you can use for WordPress theme is Cardin's WP. If you look through the starter templates, you will see that they have many templates for your WordPress site, from events, hospitality, e-commerce, learning, memberships, blogs, non-profits. And if you scroll down, you will see that there's thousands of templates. And let's say if you want an e-commerce website, you just click onto there and you'll see all the templates for an e-commerce website. Cardin's WP is one of the options you can use to buy a WordPress theme. We also made a video on how to choose your WordPress theme. If you haven't decided on a theme yet, make sure you watch that video. Lastly, if your website is still down, make sure you check for any malicious attacks with your hosting provider. We really stand by WPX because their customer service is always fast and really helpful. They'll help you clear your website of any threats and also recover the backup of your data. You can also use a high protocol SSL certificate to avoid your website getting into the wrong hands. That's it for the video. If you still have problems with your website, check out our link description below for professional help. Thank you for watching this far. See you next time. Bye.